Wait, before you hit buy on Temu, let's make sure you're not overpaying. Prices on Temu go up and down like a crypto, but here's how to catch a discount before it drops. Step 1, add the item to your cart, right? Make sure your cart has a lot of items or the items that you need to buy. Temu tracks what you want and sometimes gives you a discount in few hours. Shady, but genius. Next, or step 2, use tools like Karma or just take a screenshots daily. Compare the prices. If it drops, boom, you win, right? You can search for Karma right here if you want to know more about Karma. Or yeah, Karma for Temu. Right? So next, or step 3, use coupons. Temu throws them around like a confetti, right? Check email, app pop-ups, or coupon sites. You can go ahead and type Temu coupon code, right? And you're gonna be able to see the coupons already being prepared. Basically, prices can also go up if demand spikes, so don't wait too long, just long enough to spot the drop. So now you're shopping like a legend. Follow for more sneaky tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you in the next time.